welcome back to my channel. So this is Rajbir and I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all have started reading, guys. I want you all to start reading in your life as I used to as I have started with my channel only on focusing on the reading and reading the good books, guys. There are a lot many books available, but you should start reading with the good books which can actually change you, which can actually change your mental health. So because even me also, I have seen a lot of things, I have gone through a lot of things in the life. And if today I am here, I'm sitting in front of you all, I got the courage to talk to you all, this is only because of the books. Start thinking that okay, that means I'm not that good to in doing that, I'm not that good, I can't do this, I can't. So guys, this is actually wrong. This is actually wrong. We should have faith in ourselves, because if we are not going to trust ourselves, then who else is going to do? So I think we see the life, we got life only once, guys. So we should not listen to actually the negative people. We should not listen to the people who are trying to put us down. Even for me also, I can't, I now, without any further ado, let's talk about the book which I am going to talk about today. Is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. So guys, this is also another book, another very very good and inspirational book by Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie is like my one of the best authors in my favorite list. And guys, this book have actually gave me a boost in my confidence. Okay, so this book is like, first one is like about the author, and this are the contents of the book. And when you will start with the book, you will like the contents, because it's given like how to analyze and solve worry problems. All right, so live in daylight compartments, a magic formula, how to crowd worry out of your mind. All right, so what makes you tired, and 8 words that can transform your life, and how to keep from worrying about insomnia. So guys, these are the contents of the book. If you will read the contents of the book, from there you will get an idea that what is book is all about. This book is actually giving light on our day to day worries, which about which we used to get worries, and which are actually not existing. The problems and the worries which we used to build in our mind, these problems are actually not what to say, these problems are doesn't exist, guys. This problem doesn't exist in our lives. We are just creating this problem in our own mind because of thinking too much, because of overthinking. So guys, don't overthink. Just start reading, as I say in all my videos. Start reading good books, guys, so that you don't waste your precious time in overthinking. Because when you start overthinking, then you start imagining, and when you start, your imaginations are actually the things, your imagination is actually going to give you exactly what you are thinking. So just don't imagine anything wrong, don't imagine anything weird. Just start reading the book, and you will start thinking good, you will start imagining good things in your life when you start reading the book. So guys, this book is a must. Please go and buy this book. I will share the link in my description box. So guys, do buy this book today and start reading it, because every day brings a choice to us, whether you want to leave the day with peace, or whether you want to leave the day with worries. So it's all about in us, guys. This book has given a lot of, means I have learned a lot from this book. And I have, whenever I see something which is important, I used to mark this important lines, like it says is, in this hour I do not believe that any darkness will endure. This is written by J.R.R. Tolkien, so you can just go about it and go through this. And one more is, worry is the interest paid by those who borrow trouble. So guys, these are the quotes in the book, and I like them a lot. This quote is written by George Washington. There are many more. So whenever you are reading a book, a simple small tip is that just buy a marker, all right, and the lines or the quotes which you like the most, which you think encourage you a lot, you should mark it. Because when I read the books, I really I just mark this one, mark the important and the things which lift me up, which lift my confidence up, so that whenever I think negative, I used to open the books and I used to start reading only the markings which wherever I have marked. Right, so guys, I hope I gave you plentiful information. I gave you important information today. I hope that you all start reading and live your best life. I wish you all the best for your life and for your first step in your life, for taking your first step. Come on, guys, I know you all can do it. If I can do this by reading, I can do it by reading the books. I can boost my confidence, I can gain my confidence back, and I'm here in front of you all because of reading the good books. I know, I'm pretty sure that you all can also do it. So start reading today and start taking your first step towards a beautiful life. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video, and I will see you all in the next video.